Hello everyone, welcome to Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. You are watching JST YouTube channel. Today we can discuss even and odd number. Check even and odd number in Python language. Right click, go to file. Here write even odd number in Python. Right here number equal to int of input. Here I will give enter the enter the value. I will write like this. Now I will write if condition is num, if num modulo 2 w equal to 0, print 0 is a even number dot format num, else print double quotations 0 is a odd number format num. Now check this one. What is the output? We can see run as. See, here is asking value. I will give 10 here. I will give 10 here. This is a even number. Again, I will execute this one. Here I will give 9. 9 is a odd number. See, this is you can check the even and odd numbers. Hmm. This way we can implement even and odd numbers in Python language. Hmm. This is one of the program. Thank you for watching Jala Soft Technology YouTube channel. If you need any information regarding Python, Java, abbreviations, general knowledge, development, application development, if you need any information, could you please comment below the commented box? I will provide web application development, Android application development. I will provide the services also. Could you please subscribe and support me? We will meet next video.